When replacing coils, you're gonna have sometimes one bolt, a connector. In this case, you got one on each side. They're usually 10 millimeters. You're gonna want to get a 10 millimeter ratchet, break them loose, and then you can use your fingers to twirl them off, kind of like I am in this video. Once you start just unscrewing each bolt, you're gonna want to pull directly straight out. Then you'll notice that there's a harness that's plugged into the coil. Sometimes you can just wiggle the coil out without having to disconnect the harness, but a lot of the times there's really no slack, so you probably are gonna have to just disconnect it. You can just get a flathead screwdriver, just pop that little lock clip backwards, then it should come right out. This should be the same concept for pretty much any coilover plug. I hope this video helped you guys out. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Till next time, my friends.